Among my people not be smarting for where Markangel dey. Markangel don't enter into serious person. One person go live in flourish house, in mansion, go enter inside bush. Say he dey shit. Unlucky for him, something come chook am inside the ash. On the fate of Markangel comedy now, nobody know. Make we shall continue to pray for him. Don't be smarting, my people. I go play the rest of the video. Take una eyes watch the video. Watch the video to the very end. Grab your popcorn, cause the video sweet well. When I know see they do am for here this channel no Wengen news they carry come. This way the totori body, this way the totori brain. As they go come now, so we they help them carry come give you. I still am a girl Cindy. Oh yeah, now stay safe out there.
Mom! Aye! Snàke! You bitch! Okay, let me go get her. Excuse me, sir. Please, are you from this community?
Yes, sir.
Hey, please, I need your help, eh? My friend, Sñake just beat him now.
What type of snake is that?
He's green. He's like green with some mark on his body like that.
The only solution you have now, just go there and suck it. Just suck the place out.
Hey.
Just rush, go. Your friend has no time again.
That's go and suck it. Okay, thank you, sir. Did you get help?
Yes. You gave us an advice. Eh?
What did they say?
They say you die. You die.